there.
Welcome back.
Yeah, we're in a beautiful place. We're in the Isla Espiritu Santo. It's an island that's just north of La Paz, about 20 miles. And the bay we're in is called the Ensenada de Galena, which is Hen's Cove, which is on the west part of the island.
Stressed out?
Pretty relaxed.
Pretty relaxed. Beautiful day. We were told not to come here in the wintertime because it's cold. It's 30 degrees Celsius today. It's hot.
It's beautiful.
We're out floating around in a bay that's about 3 feet deep. Muskoka's over there about half a mile. And we're in our kayaks floating towards the shore, which is 10 feet that way. And we're going to hit it. Well, that's okay. We're here to tell you about our trip from Cabo San Lucas to La Paz. We had a beautiful trip up to La Paz. Our last video, you saw that we were actually in La Paz, but the videos haven't quite caught up yet. And this one gets us to La Paz, which is where we actually have a mooring for the rest of the winter. And we're out on a week sail. We're out for 5 or 6 days, something like that. And so this is about getting to La Paz.
Yes, there's some beautiful footage you'll see there, and stay tuned.
Vulture just went by. We have little manta rays jumping out. I think they're called bull rays, and another buzzard just went by. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but apparently we've got a lot of stuff that we've missed. We would have had to been here in 1950 to see what it was really like. We'll bring more of that when we have it. I just hit ground. Oh, cockroaches.
Lovely.
Anyway, the trip is to La Paz, and it's pretty spectacular. And you're going to get a manta ray just jumped just beside us here. We do have one on video coming up later, but really hard to get on camera because you have to have the camera on at the time. Anyway, so sit back, enjoy. This is from Cabo San Lucas.
Yes.
To La Paz.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're going to go that way. Maybe.
We'll see where the wind blows.
Right now the wind's blowing us that way. We'll go this way for a bit.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Wish you were with us.
Yeah.
We're having fun. Bye.
Bye.
So this is our anchorage in Cabo San Lucas, and we're having fun here. Wouldn't want a steady diet of this, but it's fun. Very, very busy. Recording. Okay, we just left, where'd we leave? Cabo San Lucas. And we're still sailing with Striker, but we're now sailing with Striker, we're not towing Striker. So So Striker still has no engines, but we're sailing and we've got wind. It's on the nose, but it is what it is. And it's a beautiful day. Lori's editing. And there's Cabo San Lucas.
I've asked her to
There's
be
Lori.
Sausalito,
Hi.
and I'm absolutely embarrassed to say this.
So what do you do on the open ocean? You edit. Cabo, thank you very much.
There's Striker trying to fix the furler on his jib. The halyard broke. He's a spinnaker halyard, and now he's got the furler that he's working on. We're hoping that we're not sure if he's going to need a tow or not. And that's Eileen and Dave, and they've had lots and lots of problems with their small cat. But there they are, fixing yet another problem. Pretty versatile couple. Here, we're on our way. We've just left Cabo San Lucas. Back there. And sailing along this beautiful coastline. Cabo de Sol, Cabo San Jose, where the airport is. And we're going to go to Fraley's Cove, where we'd be anchoring with a whole bunch of other people that are planning to anchor there. Winds are pretty light. Yesterday we tried, and we couldn't leave because the boat that we were with, they had 3 major failures: a jib halyard failure, a jib furler failure, and they had water coming in through their engine compartment. So we turned around, went back to Cabo, and left again today. They're sailing because they have no engines, so they will be they're behind us right now, and hopefully we'll catch up with them at the next place.
I use that when we're doing customs checking.
Oh, really?
They just hold it like this and they don't see any lights. And then I got proof of it there.
Yeah.
So do you know how many people your boat is actually designed for?
Yeah.
That's it, before sinking.
A lot less than this.
How many people can you get on a sailboat?
I counted 33 and then I saw 2 dinghies coming in with 6. That's 40.
Those guys like
Yeah, it'll be tough finding beds for everybody, but I think we can pull it off.
I can swim home. Don't worry about me. If I can't drive a dinghy, I'll swim.
You're having way too much fun. How did you live before Sophie sticks? I'm like,
hardly any wind, 0.4 knots of true wind speed. And this is Balandra Bay.
Hey, we don't have a car, but we can go downtown.
Yeah.
We come by boat.
Downtown La Paz. Pretty cool. We just came in our digging and we're leaving again.
Yeah, our marina's about 1 mile that way.
Yes.
Here we go.
Sun's almost setting.